respected chief guests, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day. India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. Our great freedom fighters sacrificed our whole life for our freedom. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Bhagat Singh, and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and many others. They devoted life, entire life for our country. We should grateful to our brave heroes. We respect all of them. Friends, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. We'll be strong and powerful in every field. I am very proud to be an Indian. I love my country. I love my India very much. Thank you so much. I feel great pride to present this. Jazakumullah.